y'all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, watching my videos, commenting, liking, or whatever the case may be, what's up? What's wrong with y'all? Where have y'all been? Like, for real, where have y'all been? But if y'all are new, old, whatever the case may be, if y'all are old, love y'all real bad. Mwah. Y'all the real ones. Today's video, we are crocheting a purse, but not just any purse, y'all. We're making a Halloween themed purse, handbag, backpack, whatever. I'll decide when that time comes. But yeah, we are creating a purse using Halloween themed colors, and hopefully we can get this done within the day, if not 2 days. I'm making the mark at 2 days, so y'all bear with me as I make this purse. This is probably my first time making this type of purse. How many times can I say purse? Are we gonna have a counter for that, a live counter on how many times I say purse? Okay, but that is what we are doing today. If y'all are liking the content, if y'all are a creator, crocheter, knitter, crafty, DIYer, subscribe to your girl. I mean, why not? We pretty much do the same things, maybe a little bit if you crochet and knit and DIY some stuff. But I'm a cool chick, so just subscribe to the channel. I'll wait. Did you subscribe? Cool. Alright, let's get this party started with making this bag. Hopefully we get it done in 2 days. If not, we still gonna crochet it. I'm gonna probably be behind the scenes crocheting it, but y'all won't know that. I mean, y'all know now because I just said it. But let's go with the video, y'all, because it's too early in the morning. Y'all like my bonnet, by the way? I made it. I used Loving Haji's bonnet tutorial. I ran out of yarn, so it's kind of loosely fitting, but it's neither here nor there. It's still cute. It's still soft. It's still, I'm gonna make me another one. But yeah, y'all, let's get to this video. So if y'all haven't watched my frog or finish video, it'll be somewhere up here in the cards for y'all to check that out. This is one of the items in that project. I'm not even going to title this frog or finish project. It's just going to be crochet. Watch me as I crochet this shit, okay? This Halloween themed bag. I know fall's here, is approaching. I think it's here. When was the first day of fall, y'all? I don't know. But yeah, it was in that video. So if y'all want to check that out, please feel free to do so. But watch this video first. Then y'all could go to that one. But here is the bag that I am talking about. Okay, so I brought a purse base kit because a person, when I first started, wanted a backpack. So I was like, okay, cool, but I wanted it to be a little bit, you know, extra because I'm extra. So I was like, I don't want to make my original tapestry tote bags, so I'm gonna make her a little base with a little backpack and a strap. So I brought a purse kit. It's all messed up now, but I brought this for me. I brought this from Amazon. If I find the link, I'll put it in the comments or in my description box. But we are using some discontinued yarn. It's probably not discontinued because Big Twist is still out there somewhere lurking around in the shadows. But I got this when Big Twist was Big Twist in Joann's, and I ordered it online. So I don't even know if you can find it. If I do find it, I'll put it in the description box or the comment box. So y'all check those two places out because it might be there. You know, you never know. You never know. But this one is the Big Twist. This is 2 skeins that I use my, my yarn winder on. That video should already be out. Make sure y'all check that out as well. I brought a new electric yarn winder off TikTok shop, but I used it to cake up 2 skeins. This is 2 skeins of Big Twist Witch's Potions yarn. And I am double stranding it, y'all, because it's just too thin for me. If y'all know Big Twist. But I also using Red Heart's black yarn for this project. So this is a 3-stranded bag video or project. So you know how they use 3 strands to make like the scrap baskets for whatever, yarn scrap baskets with projects, whatever, like Passionate Kelsey does on her channel. She just made a Halloween themed one. But I am making a purse. So here is what it is looking like so far. This is what we got. This is what we looking like. It's giving real Halloween. It's giving real Beetlejuice moment. That's why I brought it to commemorate Beetlejuice, because it was one of my favorite movies growing up. But not the new ones, but the old school ones. But yeah, y'all, we are going to be creating this purse and see how far we come up. Make sure y'all stay tuned, because I'm about to go into a montage and we're gonna just see as we progress how far I've come along throughout the day. So stay tuned. I love y'all. Don't go nowhere. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye. So I am somewhat got further. That didn't even make sense. I got a little bit further in the bag, y'all. Update. Here goes an update. I attached one D-ring to the side of my purse already. So now I am going to attach my other D-ring to this black portion right here. And the way that I do that is I just got me a pack of D-rings from when I made tapestry tote bags. And this is, I don't know what size it is, but if I find a link, I will put it in the description box. But I just got some gold ones. I should have got silver. It would have been better, but the bottom of the bag is gold, so it looks like this here. So I just place it how I want it to be on the bag, and then I just put my yarn through. Just like that. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the colors, sorry. And then I just single crochet along the D-ring, and I do about 3 stitches depending on the size of your D-ring, if you are using D-rings or if you're just going to make your own type holder for straps. So I'm just going to put that like that, crochet 3 stitches like I did the other side. And then it should lay up like this. So let me see if you guys can see. There goes my D-ring attached to my bag so I can put my straps. So let's continue. And I forgot to mention, it was a whole little leather kit thing. I will find a picture. If I could put a picture, I will put a picture somewhere on the screen. But it was a whole purse making kit. So it came with this base. It did not come with these D-rings. These D-rings I brought separately. But it also came with these 2 pieces here. It also came with this drawstring pulley thingy. It came with this clasp that you put on the bag. And it also came with this backpack curvy top thing. Goes like this. This is where the clap goes. It's a button right here. It has a little handle and another little strap. So I'm gonna finesse, and I'm gonna figure out how to use this. I'm gonna continue crocheting, and then once I decide and figure out how I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna see if there's a tutorial or something, but once I find that out, I'm just gonna keep on crocheting. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 rows. This is what it looks like right now. So I think I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, well, longer, probably till like about up here. So probably like 5 to 7 more rows and see how that looks. And then I'll be back to show you guys an updated video. I don't even know why I want this here. Probably for some straps, but I don't know. Well, we'll get there when we get there. That's just in case I want to add some straps to it, but I just wanted the option, so I put it on there for the option. So yeah, you guys, let's get back to it. Alright y'all, so I'm back with an update. I did 2 more rows and I did some decreases because I wanted it to be a little bit more smaller on the top. And right now I am going to add a row of single crochet chain 1, single crochet chain 1, and that way I'll be able to add this drawstring, and then I'm probably going to single crochet this onto the next row, and yeah, that'll be it. So I'm gonna just keep on going and we see what the end result is. So far it's looking very, I don't know, it's looking, you can't really tell, but I can tell, and it's okay, it's okay, okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna continue that and I'll be back to either show you the final product. My battery's blinking. I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished product. We are back with an update. Actually, no, it's the end of the vlog. But before we go, don't mind the background. First and foremost, you already know, disclaimer, I have kids, well, kid right now in the back watching his YouTube. But yeah, you guys, we are done with the purse, handbag, whatever you want to call it. My wrist hurt so bad. Like, I do amigurumi, and this does not compare to doing amigurumi. The yarn is rougher, for one. I use the same hook. I use the 8mm hook, so I don't know. But anyway, without further ado, let me show you the purse that I crocheted. Here we go. Focus. Can you focus on me? There we go. Alright, so you guys, here she is. Here is the purse that I've made. Here is the back. I'm gonna put some stuff in it so y'all can really get into it. But this is what the back looks like. You can't see my D-rings, but they're right here just in case I want to make it into a backpack or a hand purse. But this is she, this is her. I shorten it in the top right here, and it has a little drawstring, leather drawstring, like I showed you with the kit. And I did the single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, skip 1, single crochet, repeat to make it have the drawstring thing where you can just pull it, open it up, boom, bow. It's not weaved in, so mind your business. but I do want to put a lining in here, a Halloween themed lining in it. I don't know yet because it also came with the weatherproof lining that I might sew up in here. I don't know, but that's what the inside of it looks like. And then I could just pull it closed like this, tighten it up like that, so all my goodies stay in. And then I just crochet this onto the back like that. Here goes the clasp. Okay, clasp it on. There it goes. So boom, now I got me a nice little cute little purse for Halloween themed for the girlies. Yes, get into it, honey. But you guys, here is the purse that I've made. Yes, I love it. I love it so much. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as I enjoyed making it. It is super cute, super fun. Y'all go get y'all leather kit from Amazon with the base, the tassels, the clasp, all that. Got the handle. I can even carry it like this if I want to, but I'll probably just make some straps on the side. I don't know yet. Or make it a cute little backpack moment. Let me see. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I'm gonna try to act like it's a backpack. What y'all think? As a backpack, yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me in the comment box if it look cute as a backpack. If so, I'll make it into a backpack. But for right now, it is going to be a nice little handbag purse. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Share with a friend of a friend. Turn on that post notification bell to all so you can be notified every time your girl, me, uploads another video. So till next time, love you. Bye. Little brown girl, you are so beautiful.